As a fleet operator in South Texas, we have seen aggressive practices by plaintiffs' attorneys on behalf of clients who may or may not have come in contact with our fleet or other fleets. I would say that aggressive tactics would be immediately filing for the amount of our insurance, immediately insinuating that bodily injury occurred even though all plaintiffs were fine at the scene of the accident. We put a high premium on safe operations, safe drivers, safe equipment. We check that every day, and that is a tantamount principle to our business. If we are involved in an incident on the roadway, our attention immediately goes out to the scene for information gathering and to make the situation right. If we were to damage property or our vehicle, we want to pay what we should pay to make that right. As in the same instance, if someone were to hit our vehicle, we want the same. The problem comes when it's above and beyond what is reasonable and ordinary. Any driver on the road feels the pressure of today's transportation challenges that we all face. Whether it's a commercial driver or us driving our personal cars, we have a roadway that's impacted by folks using cell phones and many other distractions. I'm a supporter of small business. We're a small business, and I think it will be harder and harder for small businesses to get the insurances that they need because insurance companies simply won't insure them. And that will impact small business, mom and pops looking to do anything that requires any kind of commercial vehicle. I think that's a real issue. I think that us as personal users of insurance and drivers of cars, I think we all pay higher. We pay higher insurance premiums in the zip codes around Corpus Christi because of this. So we're all funding the problems that we've seen in this area. My own personal opinion on reforms that I would support would be, number one, comparative negligence, which I think would be the best thing in the transportation world. If an award is X and one party was 40% at fault and the other party was 60% at fault, I think that comparative negligence would be probably one of the best things. And I've actually operated and lived in states, Arizona, that had comparative negligence, and I think it worked fine.